Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn a verb that we use every day and I'll show you examples from each verb. Nimugiye kureba amagambo dukoresha buri munsi, ndajya nkwereka verb na nkwereke urugero. So, without further ado, let us start. The first is to feed. To feed. To feed ni kugaburira. Feed, verb to feed. She can feed herself. She can feed herself. Yabasha kwigaburira. She can feed herself. Yabasha kwigaburira. Feed him on time. Feed him on time. Umugaburire ku gihe. Next, to wonder. To wonder. To wonder ni ukwibaza. Wonder, kuba watekereza nko ku kintu. That is verb to wonder. Example, wonder how it could be if they come. Wonder how it could be if they come. Ibaza ukuntu byagenda baramutse baje. Wonder how it could be if they come. Ibaze ukuntu byagenda baramutse baje. Next, why do you wonder for that? Why do you wonder for that? Kubera iki ubyibazaho? Why do you wonder for that? Kubera iki ubyibazaho? To beg. To beg. To beg ni ukwinginga. To beg. Kwinginga. I beg no one. I beg no one. Nta muntu ninginga. I beg no one. Nta muntu ninginga. I beg no one. She is begging him. She is begging him. Ari kumwinginga. She is begging him. Ari kumwinginga. Ikurikeni to meet. Verb to meet. To meet means guhura. When can we meet? When can we meet? Ese twahura ryari? When can we meet? Ese twahura ryari? Meet me this night. Meet me this night. Hura nanjye iri joro. Meet me this night. Hura nanjye iri joro. Next, to make. Verb to make. To make ni ugukora. To make, kuba wakora nk'ikintu. That is verb to make. I can make it. I can make it. Nabikora. I can make it. Nabikora. I can make it. Don't make noise. Do not make noise. Wisakuza cyangwa se witeza urusaku. Do not make noise. Wisakuza cyangwa se witeza urusaku. Next, to smile. To smile. To smile. To smile ni uguseka. Verb to smile. Guseka. She smiles well. She smiles well. Aseka neza. She smiles well. Aseka neza. We smelled for funny story. We smelled for funny story. Twasekejwe n'inkuru isekeje. We smelled for funny story. Twasekejwe n'inkuru isekeje. Verb to think. To think ni ugutekereza. To think. Verb to think. Do you think about it? Do you think about it? Ese ubitekerezaho? Do you think about it? Ese ubitekerezaho? I thought about it. I thought about it. Nabitekerejeho. I thought about it. Nabitekerejeho. Next, to have. Verb to have. Verb to have ni ukugira. I have a new idea. I have a new idea. Mfite igitekerezo gishya. I have new idea. Mfite igitekerezo gishyashya. Have good day. Have a good day. Ugire umunsi mwiza. Have a good day. Ugire umunsi mwiza. Next is to drink. Verb to drink. To drink ni ukunywa. To drink. Kunywa. We drank beer in the party. Wanywa inzoga mu kirori. We drank beer in the party. Wanywa inzoga mu kirori. He doesn't drink beer. He doesn't drink beer. Ntago anywa inzoga. He doesn't drink beer. Ntago anywa inzoga. Next is to share. Verb to share. To share ni ukuba wasangiza nk'ikintu cyangwa se kubwira umuntu ibintu. That is share. Okay? Don't share this to somebody. Ntugire umuntu ubwira bino cyangwa se ntukagire umuntu ubisangiza. Don't share this to somebody. Ntukagire umuntu ubwira ibi. She shared all you said. She shared all you said. Yatangaje ibyo wavuze byose. She shared all you said. Yatangaje ibyo wavuze byose. Next is to see. Verb to see. To see ni ukubona. To see. Verb to see We saw them there. We saw them there. Twababonyeyo. We saw them there. Twababonyeyo. Ikurikiranye to eat. Verb to eat. To eat ni ukurya. To eat, kurya. What are they eating? What are they eating? Bari kurya iki? What are they eating? Barimo barya iki? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Ese wariye? Have you eaten? Ese wariye? Next is to talk. To talk. To talk no kuganira. Talk. Talk to me please. Talk to me please. Ndakwinginze vugana nanjye. Talk to me please. Ndakwinginze vugana nanjye. I can't talk in public. I can't talk in public. Sinashobora kuvugira mu ruhame. I can't talk in public. Sinashobora kuvugira mu ruhame. To sell. Verb to sell. To sell no kugurisha. Sell. No sales ni abagurisha. Verb to sell, kugurisha. Example, a gift must not be sold. A gift must not be sold. Impano ntago ikwiye kugurishwa. A gift must not be sold. Impano ntago ikwiye kugurisha. Cyangwa ukavuga ngo you should not sell a gift. You should not sell a gift. Ntago ugomba kugurisha impano. You should not sell a gift. Ntabwo ugomba kugurisha impano. That is a verb to sell. Next is to walk. Verb to walk. Gukora. Walk. Walk. I walked there in 2022. I walked there in 2022. Nakoragayo muri 2022. I walked there in 2022. She walks here. She walks here. Akora hano. She walks here. Akora hano. She walks here. Next is to take. Verb to take. To take no gufata. To take. Gufata. Take it easy. Take it easy. Byoroshye. Take it easy. Byoroshye. Take it easy. Can I take something? Can I take something? Ese nagira ikintu mfata? Can I take something? Ese nagira ikintu mfata? Ikurikiranye to phone. Verb to phone. To phone is the same as call. To call, guhamagara. Example, I phoned him last night. I phoned him last night. Ijoro ryakeye naramuhamagaye. I phoned him last night. Ijoro ryakeye naramuhamagaye. Ni nkuko wavuga ngo I called him last night. I called him last night. Izinteruro zose it's the same. Ikurikiranye to ask. Verb to ask. To ask ni ukubaza. To ask, kubaza. Ask me everything you want. Ask me everything you want. Mbaza buri kimwe cyose ushaka. Ask me everything you want. Mbaza buri kimwe cyose ushaka. They asked me about it. They asked me about it. Babimbajijeho. They asked me about it. Babimbajijeho. Next is to bring. To bring. To bring no kuzana. Verb to bring, kuzana. Example, I bought something for you. I bought something for you. Hari ikintu nakuzaniye. I brought something for you. Hari ikintu nakuzaniye. I brought something for you. I will bring my friend. I will bring my friend. Nzazana inshuti yanjye. I will bring my friend. Nzazana inshuti yanjye. Next is to clean. Verb to clean no gusukura. To clean, gusukura. We need somebody to clean it. We need somebody to clean it. Dukeneye umuntu wo kugisukura. We need somebody to clean it. Dukeneye umuntu wo kugisukura. Let him clean it by himself. Let him clean it by himself. Mureke abisukure wenyine. Let him clean it by himself. Let him clean it. Next is to use. Verb to use. To use ni gukoresha. To use, gukoresha. Okay, example, do you know how to use it? Do you know how to use it? Ese uzi uburyo bagikoresha? Do you know how to use it? Ese uzi uburyo bagikoresha? Use your money to get what you need. Use your money to get what you need. Koresha amafaranga yawe ubone ibyo ushaka. Next is hurry up. Hurry up ni ukwihuta. Hurry up. Hurry up, we are late. Hurry up, we are late. Ihute, twakerewe. Hurry up, we are late. Hurry up, we don't have enough time. Hurry up, we don't have enough time. Ihute, ntabwo dufite umwanya uhagije. Hurry up, we don't have enough time. Ihute, ntabwo dufite umwanya uhagije. Next, to plan. Verb to plan. To plan no gupanga. To plan. Gupanga. What are they planning to do? What are they planning to do? Bari gupanga gukora iki? What are they planning to do? Bari gupanga gukora iki? Next is go home. Go home. Go home no gutaha. Go home. Gutaha. Example, after that I went home late. After that I went home late. Nyuma y'ibyo natashye mu rugo nkerewe. After that I went home late. Nyuma y'ibyo natashye mu rugo nkerewe. Irindi jambo dukoresha buri munsi ni mother. Mother. Mother, I think you know it's your parents. Ni umubyeyi wawe, okay? Example, you can say, my mother doesn't like things like that. My mother doesn't like things like that. Mama wanje ntagakunda ibintu nk'ibyo. My mother doesn't like things like that. Are you afraid of my mother? Are you afraid of my mother? Ese ufitiye mama ubwoba? Are you afraid from my mother? Wenda nka mama wanjye arwaye ukaba ufite ubwoba ko yaba yagira nk'ikibazo gikomeye, wamubaza ngo are you afraid of my mother? Ese ufitiye mama ubwoba? Next is family. Family. Family ni umuryango. Family. Family must help each other. Family must help each other. Umuryango ugomba gufashanya. Family must help each other. His family live here. His family live here. Umuryango we utuye hano. His family live here. Umuryango we utuye hano. Next, water. Water. Water na amazi. Water, amazi. Don't waste out water. Don't waste out water. Ntukangize amazi. Don't waste out water. Ntukangize amazi. Don't waste out water. Next is friend. Friend. Friend ni inshuti. Friend, inshuti. To have many friends is not great. Kugira inshuti nyinshi si byiza. To have many friends is not great. What does your friend do? What does your friend do? Inshuti yawe ikora iki? What does your friend do? Inshuti yawe ikora iki? Next is room. Room. I think you know what a room is because it's where you sleep. Room ni chumba. Room. They are in my room. They are in my room. Bari mu cyumba cyanjye. They are in my room. Bari mu cyumba cyanjye. You can't believe what happened in my room. You can't believe what happened in my room. Ntabwo wakizera ibintu byabaye mu cyumba cyanjye. You can't believe what happened in my room. Ntabwo wakizera ibintu byabaye mu cyumba cyanjye. Next, sad. Sad. Sad ni ukurakara. Sad. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Wirakara. Don't be sad. Wirakara. Maybe she is sad. Maybe she is sad. Ahari ararakaye. Maybe she is sad. Ahari ararakaye. Next, open. Open. To open no gukingura. Open, gukingura. Who opened the door? Who opened the door? Ninde wakinguye umuryango? Who opened the door? Ninde wakinguye umuryango? Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I open the window? Se aricyo bigutwaye nkinguye idirishya. Do you mind if I open the window? This is the end and I hope you enjoy. If you are, make subscribe and comment. See you next time. May God bless you.